The Versa block clamp from Aardwolf Industries is engineered to handle block-shaped materials easily and efficiently. It supports multiple jaw options. The Aardwolf Versa block clamp enables it to grasp a variety of materials securely. This adaptability is enhanced by the simple mechanism for switching or reversing the jaws. This allows the clamp to lift materials by gripping the exterior or from within, offering customized handling solutions based on specific requirements.